Hello everyone, welcome to Caltta Technologies. In this video, we are going to unbox the professional radio PH690 so that you can have an idea of what you expect when you receive the boxes and how many surprises this model can give you. The whole box looks compact and of simple design, but the label on it really informs a lot. We got model information here and all the items packed in the box. Also here highlights that this model supports GPS and Bluetooth. Now let's go ahead and open it up to see what's inside. The first thing you will see is a user manual that guides the initial setup, and then the radio and all the accessories. PH690 Professional Radio is a high-end model in the whole Caltta DMR radio series. Classic and powerful, it has facilitated countless users and is adored by Caltta partners and customers. The whole device is compact and weighs only 310 grams, fully fulfilling the demand of working outside. The outstanding industrial design with a 2-inch display and full keypad brings better user operation. The 2600 mAh standard battery supports working for up to 20 hours under the 5590 duty cycle. IP68 and MILSTD 810G rated. The whole machine body is so rugged and reliable that it can withstand multiple levels of moisture, dirt, dropping, crashing, and more. Yet it doesn't stop here. In addition to basic DMR voice and data services, PH690 also supports more practical functions such as GPS, BDS, Bluetooth, Vox, voice recording, 128 to 256-bit advanced encryption, fulfilling more complicated user demands under diverse scenarios.